Hello, this is part 3 of a presentation for a mobile short-range HF RFID reader. In part 3, I'd like to demonstrate the LED features of this short-range HF RFID reader. So I'll be using the reader to read some Tagit proprietary tags and some ISO 15693 tags, and also explain the meaning of the LEDs that report the charging status of the batteries. Alright, so first of all, I'm just going to turn on the reader. The green LED lights up, which means that the reader is working fine. Now what I'll do is that the reader is connected by an RF cable to the WAN antenna over here. So I just put the WAN antenna down. Right, so I need you to just concentrate on the LED light. Now, as I've mentioned earlier, the tag is meant to be read perpendicular to the face of this WAN antenna. So I'm just going to bring the tag slowly towards the WAN antenna, as you can see, and you can see the orange light lights up, meaning to say that the reader has now detected a Tagit proprietary tag. Right, now I'm going to use an ISO 15693 tag. Right, so bring the tag perpendicular to the face of the WAN antenna, and you can see the red LED lighting up to indicate that it has detected a ISO 15693 tag. Right, besides Tagit proprietary tags and ISO 15693 tags, there are also LEDs indicating different types of tags. So if you were to read the detailed manual of this reader, you understand what the colors of the LED mean over this part here. Right, now I'm now going to start charging the batteries. So what I'm going to do, as I mentioned before, when you charge the batteries, you have to turn off the reader. So what I'll do now is turn off the reader. The reader goes off. Now it's okay now to charge the batteries. So I'm going to insert the charging jack, and what you'll see, the red LED right at the bottom lights up, and the green LED here also lights up. The red LED basically tells you that there is that the charging circuit that charges the battery is working fine. So that's about what this red LED is all about. So if it's not working fine, this red LED will not light up, and neither will you see this green LED. Now this green LED tells you about the charging status of the batteries. When the green LED is on continuously, it means that the charging current is at maximum, which means to say that the battery is either very weak or it needs full current to quickly get charged up. So which means to say full current is now flowing into the batteries to charge the battery up. As time passes, the batteries will start to be charged, and you'll see that this green LED will start to blink, which means to say that it is now doing a trickle charge. That means the charging circuit is now reducing the charging current. Over time, the trickle charge or the blinking green LEDs will start to blink less and less frequently until it totally diminishes. When the green LED totally diminishes, it means you have reached full charge. Okay, so that's about it for this part. I'll see you in part 4. Thank you for listening.